Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete Upwork account. So you can just open the Upwork login on the browser or app, and you will just top left and scroll down to go the settings. And when settings are open, so there is the account. So you will have to just click to scroll down in account. So there you will see the red option is the close my account. So you will have to just click to close my account. You have to click it. So from there you can see the option. So close your account. Thank you for using Upwork. Why are you closing your account? So you can just choose the one category and reason why are you close the account. So what reason of yours, you can just choose it and click to close account, and your account will be closed. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.